Organizational behavior, understanding people, systems, and performance. Have you ever wondered why some organizations thrive while others struggle, even when they have smart people, good strategies, and strong resources? The answer often lies in one powerful concept: organizational behavior. Today, I'm going to break it down in a simple, practical way so you can understand not just what organizational behavior is, but why it matters for every manager, leader, and future executive. Let's begin. Section 1. What is organizational behavior? Organizational behavior, often called OB, is the systematic study of how individuals and groups behave within organizations. In simple terms, it helps us understand why employees think the way they do, why teams succeed or fail, why motivation rises or drops, why change efforts succeed or collapse. If management is about getting results through people, then organizational behavior is about understanding the people. It is the psychology and sociology of the workplace. Now let's consider the four core elements of organizational behavior. To truly understand OB, we need to look at four key elements: people, structure, technology, environment. Let's briefly unpack each one. 1. People. The human core organizations are made up of individuals. Each person brings their personality, experiences, values, emotions, and expectations into the workplace. Two employees can receive the same feedback, but respond completely differently. Why? Because perception, motivation, and emotional intelligence differ. At the group level, we study teamwork, communication, conflict, leadership, and decision-making. Understanding people is the foundation of organizational behavior. 2. Structure, the framework that shapes behavior. Structure defines roles, authority, reporting lines, and workflow. If expectations are unclear, confusion increases. If authority is rigid, innovation may slow down. If roles overlap, conflict may emerge. Sometimes performance problems are not motivation problems. They are structural problems. Structure shapes behavior more than we often realize. 3. Technology, the tools that change how we work. Technology influences speed, communication, collaboration, and job design. Think about remote work platforms, automation, and AI systems. Technology can increase productivity, but it also creates anxiety, skill gaps, and resistance to change. When leaders introduce new technology without training or emotional support, behavioral resistance follows. That is organizational behavior in action. 4. Environment. The external forces organizations do not exist in isolation. Economic shifts, social movements, competition, regulations, and global trends all influence employee attitudes and organizational decisions. For example, economic uncertainty increases stress. Cultural shifts influence diversity policies. Technological revolutions reshape job roles. The environment affects behavior internally. Next, let's consider why organizational behavior matters for managers. Understanding OB strengthens the four functions of management: planning, in organizing, leading, controlling. A manager who understands human behavior plans better. They anticipate reactions to change. They organize with clarity. They lead with emotional intelligence. They control performance through feedback, not fear. Without understanding OB, managers rely on authority alone. With OB, they lead strategically. You will ask, what is the role of attitudes and leadership? Attitudes matter. Job satisfaction, engagement, and commitment influence productivity and retention. And here is the key. Leadership behavior shapes employee attitudes. A leader who communicates clearly builds trust. A leader who recognizes effort increases motivation. A leader who creates fear reduces performance. Culture is not created by mission statements. It is created by repeated leadership behaviors. That is organizational behavior at the highest level. OB as a diagnostic tool. One of the greatest strengths of organizational behavior is diagnosis. When a department misses deadlines repeatedly, don't rush to blame employees. Ask, are goals clear? Is communication strong? Is structure aligned? Is leadership supportive? Is workload realistic? Organizational behavior teaches managers to diagnose systems, not just individuals. Why OB is even more important today. In today's volatile and fast-changing world, understanding human behavior is more critical than ever. Remote work, generational diversity, AI integration, mental health awareness, global teams. Technical knowledge alone is not enough. Leadership today requires behavioral intelligence. Organizations succeed when people, structure, technology, and environment are aligned. In conclusion, organizational behavior is not abstract theory. It is practical insight into how people function within systems. It reminds us that organizations are not machines, they are living systems. If you want to become an effective manager, executive, or entrepreneur, you must understand behavior, not just strategy. Because at the end of the day, results come from people. And people are influenced by systems. If you found this explanation helpful and you're serious about mastering management, leadership, and organizational strategy, make sure you follow this channel. Subscribe so you don't miss upcoming lectures where we break down key management concepts in simple, practical ways. Also, drop a comment below and let me know. What organizational behavior challenge have you seen in your workplace, or what topic would you like me to cover next? Let's build smarter leaders together. See you in the next video.